Hey guys, Josh from Solution Based, still doing thermostats. So we're going to do an air handler AC only. We'll have an air handler heat pump, but this one we're going to do just AC only. This is about as simple as it gets. You're going to have, depending on the stages of your air conditioning, 1 or 2. Again, you want to confirm what you have, pull the face off and look at what you have. You're going to connect your wires to Y1, Y2 if you have 2-stage cooling. You're going to have a power wire going to R. You'll have the toggle in the up position on a Honeywell because it's single wire, and that's and then common, and that's it. Okay, and you're going to want to make sure you follow all the rules. You're going to want to trim your wires back. You're going to want to make sure about system compatibility. You're going to want to do all these things. But these guys are as simple as it gets from a low voltage wiring standpoint. And you're simply going to open it up. It only has one function, which is cooling. You're going to take the picture, like I always say, make sure you take a shot before you do it. You're going to shut the power off, okay? Then you pull the base plate, then put the base plate on, set it level, connect your wires exactly as they were existing. Remember, don't worry about what color the wires are. Remember where they were landed, because a blue R wire is still a 24-volt hot. A green Y1 is still connected to your condenser and to your air handler and will initiate cooling. So don't trust the colors. Colors are a convenience item, not the law of the land. Oftentimes, especially young techs, will put colors all over the place, or the wire went bad over the years and all kinds of things. Terminals determine what the work of that particular wire is, and you're going to be best served by a long shot by taking a picture and hooking the terminals up exactly how you found them. But take the right steps. Make sure you have system compatibility down, pick the right thermostat, make sure you know what function you want out of there, make sure you looked in here before you bought it, make sure you know, do you have single stage or 2-stage cooling, make sure you have all these things buttoned up, and then on the day that you're going to actually do it, follow these instructions. Open it up, take a picture, turn the unit off, pull the faceplate off, set the faceplate level, hook everything up exactly how it was, and then restore power and put the actual face of the thermostat on there. Keep all of your wires, like we said in previous videos, trimmed as short as possible with as much casing as they can get on them, so that no copper can ever cross over to another copper and cause either a dead short and or something running when it shouldn't be. It's getting energized when it should not be, when you're calling for some other function. If you follow those simple rules, you should be good. One other note, a lot of times the walls are chewed up behind these things. You're going to want to take a look and make sure you don't need some special kind of anchor to get this thing to hold to the wall. There are some really great drywall anchors that are bigger, that if your hole behind it is chewed up, you can put a bigger anchor in there and then get the screw to hold that thing tight. So you want to take a look and make sure, especially in plaster homes like we have here in Philadelphia area, you get a lot of, kind of gnarly holes behind there, and you're going to have to actually deal with, all right, how am I going to deal with that? Some of these come with repair plates on them to make the thermostat base bigger to hide those holes. So there are some options that you should readily be able to find online. If you're looking for, some of them come with a repair plate. You're going to be able to see it on there. Going to a big box store, there's nothing wrong with going there to buy the thermostat. The only thing that's wrong you can do at a big box store is listen to the guys that are there about what you should be purchasing, because it's a crapshoot. There's a couple guys that, at Home Depots that actually know what they're talking about. Most of them do not, and you could end up with the wrong control for your piece of equipment. Thanks, guys.